In this video is all about how to recover or get back your files that have been infected by the shortcuts files from your pen drive. Whenever you exchange your pen drive or put your pen drive in someone else's PC and you simply cannot open it. Today I will show you how to open shortcut files in your pen drive easily. Step 1. Go to Start menu, or in your keyboard press WINDOWS+R and type CMD, then press OK button. Step 2. Type attrib -h-r-s/s/dg clone start.star and press enter button. G is your pen drive location. Do not forget it. When you have completed all these steps, you refresh your pen drive and you can check for your files on the pen drive. Now you can see your all files in the pen drive. Thank you all for watching this video. For more videos, do not forget like, comment and subscribe our channel.